Hello everyone, I'm Srishti and today we are honoring and celebrating the incredible journey of fatherhood. So let's speak with some fathers and get to know about their heartfelt messages and experiences. Come on. Let's kick things off by meeting Anubhav Pandey, a father of a kid from Gen Alpha. So Anubhav, tell us about your experience of fatherhood, especially with a kid from a super active AI generation.
Thank you, Srishti. Uh, I think AI is playing increasingly a very significant role in everyone's life, and you can't be actually live without AI in these days. Whether working professional like you, me, and maybe as you talk about as I talk about my daughter, which is again she's 7 year old. But AI is actually giving different scenarios and different kind of help to each generation. For her, the AI is basically whether her education, her healthcare, her entertainment, even her future as well. So AI is actually coming along and playing a very significant role. Even a day I was just spending time with her and she was drawing something. So I was just talking to her and asking that what exactly you are drawing, and she was saying that I want to create she was actually creating a plane, okay, which is in bird shape. So I said, do you know how it will look like? She said, yeah, I'm trying to figure out how it will look like. I said, okay. Then I opened Dela E in her iPad, and I said, see how it will look like. So now she said, okay, so that means whatever in my imagination, I can put it here and it can come. So I said, yeah, just try it. So what I want to say here that with the help of AI, the kind of imagination which is again limited for someone, now it is expanding and expanding the entire horizon of a child. Not only this, even these days, like in our days, whenever our our relatives and maybe any uncle auntie supposed to ask us, okay, beta, what do you want to become in your future? So we said, okay, we want to become engineer, doctor. But nowadays, see how AI is actually changing the perception. Yesterday I was asking her that Annie, what do you want to become like once you come to study? She said, Papa, I want to become a YouTuber. I said, okay, and what kind of YouTuber you want to be? Papa, I want to be a YouTuber who will give us the health advice to people. I said, yeah, that's a pretty cool because in our days we never thought about, okay, a doctor can be a doctor which can again treat people, but a YouTuber who can also give certain good advice through the help of internet and AI. So I think generation is changing, and again I have an edge of being a father that I am a 90s kid, so I know I have seen the transition happening throughout my journey. So I feel AI will play a very important role in our future for child. Yeah.
Next, let's hear it from a father of a Gen Z kid, Mr. Gaurav Bhagat. Sir, we would love to know your thoughts or experiences that you have gathered when you became a father first time.
Okay, wow. And of course, first up, not one Gen Z kid, but two of them. So there's Nirvan and Noina, who are now both 17 and 13. So I wouldn't say in terms of challenges. I think they probably had more challenges with us than we've had with them. So they've been pretty good kids, from that perspective. But I think what comes to mind is the fact that giving them that level of freedom. Today they now study in school, which is not in the NCR. It takes in fact 10 hours to get to them. So I think just letting go was one big thing that really came to mind. Straight up, which was a bit of a challenge, more for Manali than for me again. But I mean, they're good kids. Of course, I just think that my advice to parents in general would be. You don't have to be helicopter parents. Okay, take a step back. They will figure it out. We did, and so will themselves. And I just think too many parents spend too much time, just being too much on top of their kids and trying to control everything and their lives. I think let them be, and you don't have expectations that are too high. And I think our parents didn't have those of us, and we turned out okay. And I think the same will happen for them as well. So just chill, and life will be good.
Meeting a father of a millennial now, Mr. Inderjeet Singh. Sir, how challenging and important is fatherhood in today's time, and how did you feel when you first became a father?
इन 90s उस समय जो टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी नहीं थी, जो इन्वायरमेंट था वो काफ़ी फैमिलियर था, मोबाइल्स नहीं थे, तो हम फैमिली में बैठ के एक ही रूम में टीवी देखना, एक साथ लंच और जो है डिनर करना, कहीं शॉपिंग जैसे आज है ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग नहीं थी, तो बच्चों का कहना कि पापा शाम को थोड़ा सा जल्दी आना, हमने शॉपिंग पे जाना, तो एक अलग ही बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग, बड़ा लविंग सा वो था। आउट ऑफ स्टेशन जाना, जैसे आज तो हम बुकिंग करते हैं, तो ऑनलाइन हमने देख लिया कि होटल्स कैसा है। उस समय आउट ऑफ स्टेशन जाना, होटल में अंदर जाके देखना कि कैसा है, क्लीनिंग है कि नहीं है, ओवरऑल ठीक है कि नहीं है, तो बड़ा अच्छा था। एंड सबसे मेन चीज़ ये था कि आज की डेट में और 90s में जो सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस है कि सब अलग हो गए। आज एक घर में हम 4 लोग हैं तो चारों अलग अलग कमरे में, केवल खाने के लिए भी आए तो आए, अदरवाइज मैंने ऑर्डर में या तो पिज़्ज़ा मंगा लिया, मेरा भी पिज़्ज़ा बाद में आएगा, आप लोग जो डिनर कर लीजिए। तो ये एक जो डिफरेंस है, ये एडवांस हम हो रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारे बीच में ये गैप बढ़ता जा रहा है।
Let's meet Mr. Ram Kumar Sharma, a father who is now a grandfather to this generation. Sir, 1980s में fatherhood बहुत अलग होता था आज के समय से, तो हमें ये सुनना है कि एक फादर की क्या जिम्मेदारियां होती थी उस टाइम पे।
2 बेटे हैं मेरे, एक 1986 के अंदर बॉर्न हुआ, दूसरे का 1987। दोनों में डिफरेंट है 1.5 साल का। आई हैव 1 ग्रैंड डॉटर बाय आयरा। दोनों बेटे आज जिस मुकाम पे है, जिस जगह है, जहाँ अपनी पोजीशन है उनकी, वो उन्होंने अपनी मेहनत से हासिल की है, बहुत अच्छी जगह पे लगे हुए हैं और जो है बहुत मेहनत की है उन्होंने। और पीछे बैक से मेरा सपोर्ट रहा, लेकिन जब तक वो मेहनत नहीं करेंगे तो नहीं होगा। वो बहुत अंदर से देख के बड़ी खुशी होती है कि आज बच्चे जो है खुश हैं, तो मैं भी खुश हूँ। और मेरा ग्रैंड डॉटर जो है, वो उसको देखने का मुझे हर दम ये रहता है कि वो हर दम मेरे आगे पीछे घूमती रहे, बहुत प्यार करती है मुझे। और यही मैं संदेश देना चाहता हूँ सबको कि अपनी फैमिली को बहुत महत्व दीजिए, पूरा सपोर्ट जो है उनको तो मेरी तरफ से मिलता है, प्यार हमेशा मिलता रहेगा, खूब पूरी फैमिली अच्छी तरह तरक्की हो, सक्सेसफुल हो।
So there you have it, a beautiful peek into the timeless journey of fatherhood, where every generation has a unique story of its own. So this Father's Day, take a moment to cherish your father and let him know how special he is. Happy Father's Day everyone from Consortium Gifts. So if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media platforms.